Girl, you going to my Isha dinner party? Yeah, girl, I got my outfit and everything already. Oh, snap, you on it. Let me see, let me see. You want to see it? You do? Okay, hold on, let's get it. I know you about to walk up in there looking but hey. You about to have so much fun at our party. Hey, you always be having cute stuff. Oh, I can't let my friend coming out the house looking a mess. Yeah, I'm ready. Let me see, let me see. Here it is. Here you go, girl. Ain't it cute? Girl, what the hell is that? What? What's wrong with it? You don't like it? What's wrong with it? It looked like something you pulled out your grandma's closet. That's what's wrong with it. Seriously, Teeks? You are not wearing that. I don't have anything else to wear. This is what I'm wearing. I thought it was cute. Shoot. And her party is tomorrow. I don't have time to be going shopping and going in and out of all these stores to find something. And it took me a good and long time to look for this outfit, okay? And, oh, don't worry. Don't worry, I got you. I got you. Cause you not walking up in the party with me wearing that. Give me that. Got some nerve. What's that? Bree, you really was about to wear this to the party? What the heck? I just bought that. What are you doing? What it look like I'm doing? I'm fixing this mess of a thing that you call a dress. Whatever. Hey, look like something my grandma, not even my grandma gonna wear this. What the hell? Once I'm done recreating this, you not gonna know what hit you. Now let's go. Come on, let's go. Fine. Alright guys, so in today's episode of Closet Recreations, I'm going to be taking this old red leopard print dress I got from the Salvation Army and turning it from this to this. For more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go follow me on my Instagram for more behind the scenes fashion and beauty looks. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you won't miss a post. Alright, let's get started. Starting off, I sketched out the design that I was going for. I knew I wanted to have some type of slit on the dress since I was working with a chiffon fabric. So I'm taking my seam ripper and I'm just going to seam rip this entire dress apart so I can use as much as the fabric as possible. And so I can go ahead and take out the lining at the top of the dress. Okay, so once that's done, I started ironing out my lining so that way I could get ready to drape the lining on the dress form and figure out the shape of the silhouette of my dress that I sketched out. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to follow me on my Snapchat, you guys can hit me up on there. It's takaraonea. But anyways, back to the point. I knew that I was going for like that Aaliyah look for my dress. I'm a big fan of plunge V-neck in dresses. It's just really something sexy about it, and I thought it would work perfectly for this red leopard print fabric that I was working with. So I kept the back simple, but I went ahead and added my darts, and after that I headed over to my sewing machine. It would be just a waste of time. You wouldn't get far. For you, baby, I find you. For you, baby, I find you. Wouldn't get far. Wouldn't get far. It took me a pretty good little minute to kind of recreate this dress, but comment below letting me know what time it is right now where you are as you're watching this video. Okay, so to add the darts, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and use my tracing wheel and trace where I marked my dart. Then what you can do is line up those two lines where you traced so that you know your dart is perfectly folded in the middle. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and pin and sew on the fold. Wouldn't get far. Wouldn't get far. It would be just a waste. And I'll do a more in detailed how to sew darts video. If you guys want one, just give the video a thumbs up. Alright, so at the point of my dart, I'm just taking the leftover thread and I'm tying it with a few knots just to keep the dart in shape and keep it clean. And then after that, you just want to press your dart on the wrong side of the dart, like on the wrong side of the fabric. And I just like to press my dart away from the bust. Okay, so now I'm taking my leopard print fabric from the dress and I'm just cutting out that same shape pattern as my lining. And you want to do this for both sides of your dress, for the two front panels and for the back panel. For you, baby, I find you. For you, baby, I find you. Wouldn't get far. After that was sewn and done, I went back to my dress form and I draped all of that fabric onto my dress and tried to decide what I wanted to do with the bottom of the dress, and just kind of like kept working with the shape of how I wanted the dress. I kept going back and forth between wanting to do a nice draping shape and to do a slit, so it would be just a waste of time. So I went ahead and ironed out my finished front and back pieces to the dress and sewed the front of my dress to the back of my dress. I'm sewing right on the shoulders and then I'm going ahead and hemming my raw edges on the neckline. Okay, so now for the bottom of the dress, I went ahead and seam ripped it apart again because like I said, I needed as much fabric as possible to work with. I'm actually really glad I got this large size, like plus size dress to work with because it left me with a lot of fabric to work with. So once I cut and shaped the bottom of the dress on my dress form, I went ahead and pinned down the side seams and I sewed. I decided that I would add an invisible zipper to the left side of the hip on the dress. This was just to make it easier to get into the dress since the chiffon was not a stretched fabric. And after that, I sewed my top half of the dress to the bottom portion of the dress and hemmed my slit and bottom of the dress, and that was it. I completed the recreation. What do you guys think?
I don't even know you no more. 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 Man, that is like a movie, yeah. Her and Cupid got a group. She aim at my heart with the gun and then shoot. She said she got 30s and 100 rounds too. Kissing K-Ballo, she like to shoot. Tell me though, am I to do? Kissing K-Ballo, she like to shoot. Tell me though, am I to do? Kissing K-Ballo, she like to shoot. Tell me though, am I to do? Kissing K-Ballo, she like to shoot. Tell me though. And I ask myself, How much more can I ignore? What are we fighting for? It feels strange. But lately I've been writing more. I let the mic record on my pain. I'm feeling like I lost her. She got a lot on her roster. She let the new cats come in the game and tell her money is more important and made her a monster. Yeah, and she flossy. Walk around here real bossy. Ain't even messing with it if he ain't making them figures and talking about gold that you got.